Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when it comes to traveling, there's certain nice clothes of mine that I don't want to just put in my suitcase with the rest of my clothes. That's where this great garment bag from TRITOUR comes in. This bag is not only super functional, but I really love the look of it. It has this really durable yet beautifully colored canvas paired with this rustic looking brown leather. It strikes just that right balance between structured and softness that I love. My impression is that it's really well made and thoughtfully designed. Everything works on it just the way it's supposed to, including all of the zippers. When I'm on the go for any kind of special event, I really want to give extra care to my finer clothing. This garment bag provides exactly the protection that I'm looking for. I especially like to use it for my more formal wool coats, and when I get to my destination and I open it up, my coat is exactly the way that I put it in there. I'm a big fan of the fact that it has so many extra pockets. That means if I run out of room in my suitcase, which I tend to, I have these extra pockets as backup. I find it really easy to carry, and there's a couple of options for carrying it that I really like. It has hand grip handles and also a longer strap for crossbody transportation. I'm so excited to go on my next getaway, and I have no worries if I want to bring my fancy clothes thanks to this TRITOUR garment bag. And that's my point of view.